smaller lecture theatre. You might remember that we looked at the big lecture theatre where we're going to have the plenaries. Now this one is a little bit smaller, and we might use it for some of the workshops. We've got all these very nice comfortable seats with a writing desk in front of them, and down here we've got somewhere for presenters to sit or to stand behind. And we've got, of course, a screen and a nice big projector over there, and we've got computer equipment, IT equipment here. So really, we've got everything that you could ask for.